Hello and welcome back, Starbazers. Get ready because we've got a burning hot topic that's currently blowing up the internet. Popular kapamilya heartthrob Joshua Garcia is right at the center of a massive online firestorm after social media activity set off a wave of intense political debate among fans and netizens alike. What was supposed to be a quiet scroll on social media quickly spiraled into a viral spectacle, leaving the entire showbiz world buzzing. It all started when netizens noticed that Joshua's official TikTok account reposted a fan-made video mocking the prosecution team and siding with the defense in the ongoing Senate impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Duterte. As screen recordings spread like wildfire across X, fans also discovered he was following the Vice President on Instagram. Though the actor quickly deleted the repost and unfollowed the account, he was already trending heavily, facing sharp criticism from disappointed supporters, while others jumped to his defense. The controversy quickly caught the attention of political figures, with former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque publicly praising the young actor's apparent political stance. Addressing Joshua's critics, Roque posted online, "Kakampinks, huwag na kayong ma-stress kay Joshua Garcia. In an industry where showing support for Inday Sara Duterte could invite cancellation, Joshua refuses to hide his political convictions." He went on to express his gratitude to the star, writing, "Daghang salamat, Joshua, for choosing integrity over a manufactured image. Such conviction as yours is rare, and such courage as yours deserves respect." Adding fuel to the buzz, actor-turned-Senator Robin Padilla, a known ally of the Duterte family, also subtly backed Joshua amid the mixed reactions online. Padilla took to Facebook to share a throwback clip of a scene from their 2017 hit film Unexpectedly Yours. Without diving into lengthy political statements, the senator kept his message short and cheeky, simply captioning the clip with "Unexpectedly Yours," a clever nod that fans immediately interpreted as a show of solidarity. This viral issue was also brought up on Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, where Tito Boy asked his guests, Pokwang and Meryl Soriano, for their thoughts. Nag-repost si Joshua sa TikTok ng isang curated video na kung panonoorin mo ay parang pro-Vice President Sara Duterte. It had been taken down ayon sa ating balita, and we're trying to get in touch with Joshua Garcia para natin malaman. What are your thoughts? Meryl immediately defended Joshua's right to express himself, stating, "That's his platform and kung dun siya naniniwala. Kaya nga tayong merong freedom of speech. We are free to express our own opinions and voices sa sarili nating platform. It just so happens na meron ding opinion ang mamamayan, ang audiences natin." Pokwang echoed similar sentiments, emphasizing that celebrities deserve the same freedom as anyone else, saying, "Nagkataon lang kasi na artista si Joshua, pero kapag ordinaryong tao ba yan, papansinin mo ba? Nagkataon lang na artista siya. Karapatan niya yun, hayaan natin siya. Marami akong kaibigan na magkaiba kami ng mga sinusuportahan. Nung isang araw kasama ko, nag-dinner kami. Wala kaming sumbatan." At the end of the day, celebrities are citizens with their own personal beliefs, and while being in the public eye naturally invites scrutiny, everyone deserves the space to hold their own views without immediate hostility. What are your thoughts on artists expressing their political stances online? That wraps up today's hot showbiz update, Starbazers. Do you agree with Meryl and Pokwang that celebrities should be free to express their political opinions? Or do you think public figures should keep their views private? Drop your thoughts, reactions, and hot takes in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest entertainment news. Until next time, this is Sean, your Starbiz Insider, signing off.